Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a little walk around the Carnival Liberty Casino. So come along, let's take a gander. Right here we have a video poker game. Take a nice pan of the casino. Then looking at the cash screen that nobody ever wins on. Believe me, we know. Then we're going to take a walk along this side of the casino. It is the non-smoking side of the casino, where we find the coin pusher game. And lots of slots. They got dancing drums, quick hits, 88 fortunes, lightning link, buffalo gold. Basically, if you think of it, they have it. And lots of seating here so you can relax and listen to the music that's being played on the stage. And you could grab a drink here at the casino bar. And more cash crane and games and all that fun stuff. Lots more slots. Most of the games were penny slots, so they range from penny up to like 80 cents, I think, on some of them. But there's also 25 cents, $1, $2, I think up to $5 for a bet, so you could pick your poison. Alright, you're gonna walk by here towards the smoking section of the casino and find more slots and some virtual games. Right here, there's a couple of roulette games. A little peek there of the sports bar off to the right. And more slot games. But there were a ton of either poker or blackjack table games. There had been at least 15 tables here, so there's definitely multiple opportunities to play a card game. And they do have a craps table here. And behind all the slots here, there is the cashier's desk. And so conveniently placed is the ATM if you run out of money, and a converter machine to break up bigger bills into smaller bills if you need to. And I know it was short and sweet, but this is pretty much it of the Carnival Liberty Casino tour. Thank you guys so much for taking a walk through the casino with us. And we will see you on the next excursion. Take care, guys.